Hey there, we're starting our trip in Sholo, and you won't believe how this place got its name. It wasn't some fancy meeting, it was a high-stakes poker game back in 1870, where the winner had to show low to win the land. We're rolling down the main road now, which is actually called Deuce of Clubs because of that legendary game. Imagine winning an entire town on a single card draw. Beats any lottery ticket I've ever bought. Check out that red truck passing us. As we leave the shops behind, watch how the plants change. We're moving out of the dry, dusty desert and heading up into the high country where things get way greener. See those squiggly black lines on the road? We call them tar snakes. They're basically giant band-aids that workers use to fix the cracks after the freezing mountain winters do their thing on the pavement. Here's the cool part. We're officially entering the Ponderosa Pines. This is part of one of the biggest forests of its kind in the whole world. It's like nature just flipped a switch and turned on the green. The road is widening out here, and I bet you can feel the air getting cooler. These pines are super tough. They actually like small fires because it clears out the junk on the forest floor and keeps them healthy. It's getting a bit darker because the trees are so thick now. Somewhere deep in these woods is Mount Baldy. It's a very sacred place for the White Mountain Apache people, almost like a giant natural church. Look at those skinny white trees mixed in. Those are the aspens. They've dropped their leaves for the winter, but in the fall, this whole hillside glows like it's made of gold. It's a sight you've gotta see. This part is like driving through a giant green tunnel. The road looks a little shiny today, probably from the morning frost melting off. It feels like we're a million miles away from the busy city now, doesn't it? Wow, look at this view. We just popped out of the trees into this massive meadow. This is where the Sunrise Park Resort is. The coolest thing? It's owned and run by the local Apache tribe, which is great for the community. We're climbing even higher now, back into the white-barked aspens. See those gray patches on the road? The high altitude really beats up the street, but I'd say the view is definitely worth a few bumps along the way. We're almost to Greer. This little village was started by families just looking for a quiet life by the mountain streams. It's the perfect spot to kick back, listen to the wind, and forget the world. Thanks for riding along with me.